Hello, my name is Sayan Chatterjee and I am the student of EIILM-Kolkata and my course name is BBA in Hotel and Hospitality Management, and today we are preparing Mexican Quesadillas.
So here we go, we have the ingredients, we have already made the dough, we have cheese, we have chunk chickens, we have all the vegetables like peas, carrot, corn, beans, bell peppers, tomatoes and all the spices, and here we have the cheese. So and there are the dressings, so we will begin now. First we will make the stuffing for the quesadilla. This is one of the Mexican dish and it is again very nutritive dish where it has chicken and different vegetables. So it is a very convenient and easy way of eating all the nutrients together. That is the carbohydrate, the fat, the protein, the vitamins, all the exclusive needed nutrients for our body. So here we start. For flavoring we put some garlic. We have put all these vegetables, you can put different vegetables as well. Put a little bit of chicken. Little bit of the tomato sauce. Now you put on the flame. Just heat it and keep it. Just put on the pilot and keep it. Now we will brush the butter.
Now our dish is ready. Try it at home and let us know how is it.
Thank you.